Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about while loop in C programming. But before we get into the specifics of while loop, let's take a moment to understand what loops are and why they are so important. In programming, a loop is a control structure that allows us to execute a block of code multiple times. Instead of writing code repeatedly, we use loops to make our program more efficient and concise. There are different types of loops in C programming like while loop, do while loop, and for loop. But in this video, we will focus on while loop. The while loop checks a condition before executing the code inside it. Let's start with the syntax of while loop. The syntax of while loop is while keyword and then in the circle brackets there is a condition and then in the block there will be code to execute if the condition is true. Code to execute if while condition is true. This code will continue executing until the condition becomes false. The condition is evaluated before each iteration. If the condition is true, code inside the body of loop runs. If the condition becomes false, the loop stops. Let's create a simple program that will print your name 5 times. For this, create a variable int I. This I mean index. You can use any variable, but this time I am using a variable named I. I is equal 1 and there is a condition while I less than is equal to 5. As I am going to execute the code 5 times. Now in this loop print the statement to print your name. I am typing printf programming master. And at the each iteration I am incrementing the value of I by 1. You have learned about increment operator plus plus. It will increment the value 1 to the variable I at the each iteration. Now let's run the program. There is an error. Semicolon is missing at the end of line. Now run the program. And you can see it displayed programming master, programming master, programming master 5 times but on the same line. So use the \n special character to print the new line at the end of this statement on each iteration. Now run the program. And you can see it displays programming master for 5 times and now each time the programming master is written on new line. Now you can change this program to print numbers from 1 to 5. For this, printf %d and print value of I in place of %d at each iteration. Now it will print the numbers from 1 to 5 and you can see it displayed 1 to 5. You can control the loop. For example, if I want to print numbers from 1 to 10, and now it displayed the numbers from 1 to 10. And that's all about a while loop in C programming. While loops are a great choice when the number of iteration is not fixed and depends on a condition. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.